Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show to you how to create a vertical text on Canva application and use it to your poster design. The way to create it, it's so simple. It's just need maybe under 1 minute you can create this design. Okay, the way to create it, first open your Canva, create a new project, and on this blank page you just need to insert a text onto it. So for example, I'm adding, maybe I will just type this text, and you need to change the font of it onto the font that you want to use. For me, I'm just going to use maybe this font. Okay, when you done, just change the font. You just need to drag this white spot onto the left side like this, and until the text have this position. As you can see, when you drag it onto the left side, the text is changing position onto a vertical position like this. The way to do that, you just need to click it and move it onto the left, just like this. And now the next step, you can decrease the size of it if you want, like this. And now after that, you can change the color onto the exact color that you want. For me, I'm just going to use a white color. And then go to the background, change the color of the background onto the exact color that you want to. And for example, I'm just going to change the color onto this blue color. Okay, positioning the text like this. The next step, you just need to insert a new text onto it. So for me, I'm going to type this text, then change the font onto the font that you want to use. For example, I think I'm just going to use this font, this one. And now the next step, you just need to increase the size of it and go to the spacing and decrease the letter spacing like this. Now if you want to, you can change the color of this font too. So I'm changing it onto the white color and positioning it onto this side. And don't forget to rotate the text like this. The next step, you just need to increase the size of it and make sure it has a same size and same position as the vertical text, just like this. If it's still not satisfied you with this result, you can change the font onto a font that have maybe higher or thinner font. So the way to create it, just click one of the text and then use this display font and found this assertive display, this one, and decrease the size of the frame like this and decrease the size of the text. And now when you're done, positioning it again like this. Okay, when you finish, the final result will be look like this. And that's the way how to create this vertical font on your Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.